Welcome back to our channel where we review the latest tech products to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're going to review the Laifen Swift, a laptop designed for people who need a budget-friendly device for everyday use. The Laifen Swift has a 14-inch display, an Intel Celeron processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage. It is priced under £200, making it an excellent option for anyone on a tight budget. It is also lightweight and compact, making it perfect for students or anyone who needs a laptop they can carry around with them. The Laifen Swift has a sleek and modern design. It is made from high-quality materials and has a metallic finish. The laptop is available in 3 colors, silver, pink, and blue. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, and the touchpad is responsive and accurate. The laptop has a 14-inch display with a resolution of 1366 by 768. The screen is bright and produces vivid colors, making it ideal for watching videos or browsing the web. However, the resolution is lower than what you would get on most laptops, so it might not be the best option for graphic designers or anyone who needs a high-resolution display. The Laifen Swift is powered by an Intel Celeron processor, which is not the most powerful processor out there, but it can handle everyday tasks with ease. The laptop comes with 4 GB of RAM, which is enough for basic multitasking, but it might struggle if you have too many applications open at once. The laptop comes with 64 GB of storage, which is not a lot, but you can expand it with a micro SD card. One of the best things about the Laifen Swift is its battery life. The laptop can last up to 10 hours on a single charge, which is impressive for a budget laptop. You can use it for an entire day without having to worry about running out of battery. The Laifen Swift comes with all the essential ports, including 2 USB 3.0 ports, a micro SD card slot, and an HDMI port. It also has a headphone jack and a webcam. The laptop supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect to the internet and other devices wirelessly. Overall, the Laifen Swift is an excellent budget laptop for anyone who needs a device for basic everyday use. It has a modern design, a bright display, and long battery life. While it might not be the most powerful laptop out there, it can handle everyday tasks with ease. If you're on a tight budget and looking for a laptop that offers great value for money, the Laifen Swift is definitely worth considering.